A Gen Z coder rewires daily life by swapping one short car trip for a bike ride and logs the miles saved. Another story follows a dorm room switch to reusable containers and a simple meal plan that cuts waste without extra effort. A young professional shows how a weekly mindful wardrobe swap reduces purchases while keeping style intact. Viewers learn to choose climate-friendly options at the supermarket by planning meals, buying in bulk, and avoiding impulse buys. The episode ends with a call to join a tiny habit challenge and celebrate small wins together.